updating.
Yeah.
And what the benefit of Windows 11?
New functionality you will
Okay.
have and multiple.
So now you started
options,
to.
and there is a many option.
Okay. Yeah.
So,
Continue speaking. Yeah. So good, Yani, for laptop. This is.
yeah, it is a bit fast and
Okay.
good functionality.
So for Windows 11, what should be the feature?
Yeah, there is a many features like a secure.
So now you restarting, then you will update. You have window in this USB?
Yeah, I make it bootable pen drive. So by connecting it and it's a HP laptop, so I believe that F11 is booting key.
Okay. So window 11 after this
Yeah,
window 11, this
function
will
key
be.
and window F key, F11 key you need to press.
Okay.
Continue after restarting. Then you on a screen boot menu will appear. You need to choose selective one.
Okay.
Like a we connected pen drive, so you can select pen drive. Or if you selected the means your recovery option and compact disk, it depend on scenario. Right now we are booting that OS from our pen drive, so we require to select pen drive option. It's taking time, so let's see.
Okay. So what you press?
F11 function key and F11. Means every laptop company's laptop have different bootable key.
Okay.
So we need to take care about it.
Okay.
Sometimes bootable key is disabled, so we need to go for BIOS menu
Okay.
to enable it through
Okay.
the. It's taking time. I don't know. It's a bit slow. Reason I cannot say.
Okay. This is the.
This is the system information. I am going to open BIOS so that I can check it configuration and all. It's very slow.
So after this will be more fast, yes?
Yes.
Let's see.
Saudi Arabia.
Quick repair, yes?
नहीं ये नहीं चाहिए.
हैं?
ये नहीं चाहिए. इसका बूटेबल की भी नहीं आ रही. कौन सा? मिलेगा F10 नहीं.
अच्छा, F10.
लल्ला देखें तुम्हारा डिसेबल वर्चुअलाइजेशन कर रखा, फायदा क्या? घंटा सर्विस यूज कर रहे हो. USB इनेबल है, सही है. UEFI OS मैनेजर. सिक्योर बुट लेगेसी सपोर्ट अब. देखा अब हुआ. लेगेसी आ गया.